Hey, shout out to Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club. Look what I got. I wanted to share this with you. I think you guys would really appreciate this. This is from the Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club. It is a certificate of lifetime membership to the Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club in recognition of distinguished service, dedication to amateur radio, and enduring contributions to the advancement of communication, technical excellence, and fellowship within the community. That's pretty cool. You know, I've been for years. I mean, if you go to YouTube and you type in W4OT Field Day or Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club, I mean, we've done a lot. The balloons, the 20-inch bicycle rim that we used as an antenna on a loop tuner to talk to Chile in South America and New York. The tape measure antenna, before that idea was even stolen, we were doing that before you could actually buy the tape measure antenna. Yes, look it up. You know, but stuff that we got to do, the helium balloon and all kinds of stuff. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be a part of that with that club. The Vero Beach W4OT Club, as I told you, is just active. It's moving. It's busy. You see the field day video this week. Great stuff. So, guys, thank you to the Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club for giving me this. And hey, you know, 25 years from now, right? I mean, I'll be retired by then, I think. And probably 25 years or so. I'll be retired. Maybe, I mean, there'll be a whole different club, man. I hope one day I could, you know, be that guy. Look, I've been a member since 2026. Maybe I could be a president one day. God only knows in 25 years what ham radio is going to be like. And hopefully I'll be here to be a part of it and keep that Vero Beach Amateur Radio Club going. So take care, guys. Thanks to the Vero Beach W4OT and 7.3. Hey, guys, have a great 4th of July. Keep all your digits.